Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix high ping in Roblox on Mac. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you should make sure that the Roblox servers are operational in your region. Here, you can first of all preview if all services are operational. This includes the website and games. Below, you'll find Announce Server Disruptions or Planned Server Maintenance. In case the server seems to be operational, then click on the Apple icon in your menu bar and select System Settings. And here proceed to disable your VPN service in case you're using one. VPN services are often the culprit to network lag and high ping. You should test your network connection using a speed testing app or website such as speedtest.net. This will allow you to preview your average upload and download speed as well as your server latency or ping. If you experience an unstable download speed, make sure to reduce the number of devices using the same network connection and restart your router or modem in case you haven't done this in a while. Lastly, you should reduce the number of applications running on your Mac that are using your network connection. Open up your activity monitor. Here, in the network section, you will see a list of processes using up your network connection. This could be a different application, your browser, or a macOS service. You can then proceed and quit those apps before trying to join a Roblox experience again. If you intend on playing with other people from different regions, then the server you're playing on can cause lag because of its location. You may have to join a different server for the same Roblox experience to better your overall connection. And that's it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix high ping in Roblox on Mac. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.